If you ask an average 11th and 12th grade commerce student, where do you record capital in the final account sum, they will be able to tell you that it is recorded on the liability side. However, if you ask them why it is recorded on the liability side, I bet 70% of them will not be able to tell you why. Hi, my name is Khandekar and welcome to my channel BkwithKK. After having taught 1500 students over the last 10 years, what I have realized is building concepts among students for accounting helps them achieve great results in their board exams. And you want to know how we do it? We do it by tightening these three screws. First is concept, second is competence, and third is clarity. Everything begins with an idea. My idea of tightening three screws starts with the first screw, that is concepts. In this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to run a series of videos called as Concept Gyan, in which I'm going to build accounting concepts for you one by one, which are taught or rather not taught at the 11th grade. Second is competence. How do you build this competence? Competence is built by a lot of exam practice and practice sessions that we conduct in the classroom. When a student goes through so much of practice, he is extremely confident when he approaches the exam. Third is clarity. By clarity, what I mean is to get your doubts cleared, what you have done in practice sessions as well as classroom sessions. Unless and until you clarify all your doubts, you are not confident enough to go and achieve the exam results. So, what we do at Ardent is, we are approachable professors. We get all your doubts cleared on time. So friends, do subscribe to my channel BkwithKK and help me by commenting what content I should build for 11th and 12th grade students.